In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop eBay from automatically relisting your items. This can be an important step if you prefer to exert more control over your listings and avoid additional fees. Let's dive right in with these straightforward steps. First, head over to ebay.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials and accessing the right account. Once you're in, locate the Sell tab at the top of the page. Clicking on this will take you to a dedicated area where you manage your sales. When you're in the Selling Hub, look for the option that says List an Item. Click on it to start the process. Here, you need to input specific details about what you're selling. For instance, if it's a laptop or any gadget, type in the brand, date, and model to narrow down your search results. After entering the details, proceed by clicking the search icon. This will bring up suggestions and options related to your input. Browse through the list and select the item that best matches what you're selling. Once you've chosen the most suitable option, the next step is to specify the condition of your item. Is it brand new, used, or refurbished? Pick the appropriate descriptor and then click on Continue to Listing. This will bring you to a new page where you can upload images of your item. Good quality photographs can make a significant difference, so ensure your images are clear and detailed. Alongside the images, you can type out a brief description of the item's condition. If you find it challenging to articulate a description, eBay offers an AI-generated description option, which you can use for convenience. Now, this is the critical step where you stop eBay from auto-relisting your item. Simply uncheck the box marked Auto Relist. This setting is often enabled by default, so carefully ensure it's unchecked to take full control over your item's listing status. In addition to this, make sure you're choosing the right shipping service that suits both you and your potential buyer's needs. Selecting a reliable and cost-effective shipping method can enhance your selling experience and buyer satisfaction. Also, remember to specify the country of origin of your item. It's a small detail, but it can influence buying decisions and shipping calculations. Finally, with everything set, you can click on List It. This will officially put your item up for sale on eBay without any risk of it being automatically relisted. And there you have it. With these steps, you can ensure your eBay items remain under your direct control. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore other guides on how to maximize your eBay seller experience.